It is the 2nd of December, and yeah, 1 second. Got a bit of an audio issue. Okay, hope that works. Yeah, 2nd of December, we're going to go over ZecHub core team updates and project updates. So let me share my screen. Right, here we are. And yeah, KPIs were posted by Dismad, thank you. Yeah, so pretty eventful month. We had a number of DAO proposals. Only one of them was approved. And yeah, that was to add a new member to the DAO, Zolder, who I believe is from the Espanol community. Oh no, sorry, the Korea community. And yeah, we've been working with Penumbra. Just today I've been speaking with Venom on the Penumbra team towards sorting out a community pool spend. So similar to Zcash, there is like a allocation, or I guess slightly different than Zcash. They like took an allocation out of Genesis. So yeah, we're gonna start helping them like acquire funding through the Penumbra protocol. Yeah, weekly tasks. 1 second. So recent tasks that have been completed include a number of videos around ZCG elections. These were made by Techno Papapi. Thank you to him. And we've also got posters around ZecPublish. There was a video created by Main around ZecPublish. Poster around the community call, which is on Thursday for ZCG candidates. And there was an update to the dashboard, which now shows block fees. Thank you to Dismad for providing the data and Senior Dev for adding the chart. We also have a halving meter, thanks to Jay. Yep, the halving meter's been added. I think that was around 2 or 3 weeks ago, actually. And most recently, we have this Lockbox chart, which is now updated to show the coin holders fund amount and the address associated with it as well, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so we posted the report to the forum yesterday. We're going to start getting back into posting on Reddit following communication with Fire Ice. And yeah, am I missing anything? I think we have a video coming out with Dara Emma from Zec Summit in the next day or two. Total supply dashboards. Oh yeah, we have total supply added to the dashboard as well.
Was there a request? Sorry, didn't mean to get you off, Squirrel. We added that because someone from the Monero community requested it.
Glad we could please them. And so, yeah, I would say everyone should head over to ZecPublish if you haven't already and try it out. Like, make post. I think the post amount is like 0.01 Zec, thereabouts. Yeah, give it a try. This past Sunday, I was on a call with Privacy Chronicles. These are a group of people that work with Cake Wallet and the Zeno and Monero communities, and we had a good chat with them and kind of introduced them to Zcash, answered many of their questions around the project and the ecosystem. And yeah, I think that about totals this past 2 weeks in the project. Some upcoming stuff that we have happening is tomorrow I have a interview with Unstoppable Wallet around their updates to their Zcash wallet. We have the Crosslink workshop 4B, Milestone 4B workshop. So yeah, I think everyone should be joining the workshop tomorrow. You can install this Zingo 3.0, I guess.
Is over.
What was that? We need to announce ZECPublish. Yeah, ZECPublish or ZecPublish? Confused. I think ZECPublish is the repo. So yeah, this is the website, and Espanol community just made a post yesterday. And yeah, I think shares now work. So when you press the share button, the link is now operational.
And then there's
And yeah, so
oh, sorry, Squirrel. Just wanted to, for the tech users out there who know how to use view keys, there's a view key in the GitHub, and you can load it in your wallet of choice, and you have access to the forum directly. View only, of course, but and it's less filtered. It's raw data.
Yep. Also, proposal came in yesterday. And so, yeah, I haven't gone through the proposal yet, but
Is anyone?
it seems they
are labs here in the call that would want to talk about the project?
No, don't think so. Looks like they have a working prototype. So it's an Explorer.
One question I have for this is, I'm not clear on why they don't show Zcash Ds, because then they're using the same thing we are. The crawler outputs the Zcash Ds like the exact same way, so I don't understand why they can't show the Zcash Ds. That's one of the things I'd like to ask them.
Yeah. It looks like they're filtering the user agents, but we can't. So yeah, it says they're supposed to be listing Zcash Ds, but they don't. Yeah, if they're running Ziggurat, it'd be cool if they showed like a geographical representation of where the nodes are as well.
Yeah, and there's another repo in that I think it's called Crunchy, and it actually does it. But getting that on the website would take some work. So hopefully we can give them some feedback. I'd like maybe we can get them in the Discords where we can communicate.
Yep. But regardless, this is so cool to see projects that are approaching the DAO with essentially near complete working products. Yeah, there's been like a lot of rejections, and I'm curious to get any reasoning around why
So yeah, I think that's one of the problem areas of our setup right now is there's not a good way for feedback. So it's either a yes or a no, but there's no reasons. And that's a little confusing from the grantee's perspective, right? Because they don't know why.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess we'll follow up with the DAO members in the chat. Ongoing tasks. So we have posters that have been made for the global Light Wallet D servers that have been spun up by Zcash Espanol and Zcash Brazil, and to also show like Zec Rocks and kind of, visually educate people around what Light Wallet servers are and how they can be selecting them. We have posters for Maya Protocol, shielded swaps. We have a video tutorial being made by Kelly Joe around Native Swap, a platform which uses Maya Protocol for Zec swaps. And we also have a wiki page coming for My First Zcash. And with that, are there any questions, comments, any feedback? Hey, Musty.
Hey man, how is it going?
Going good.
Yeah, I was in the middle of typing something. I was going to ask. So I know someone that's is a big supporter of Zano. I think he's very involved in Zano and he's been asking a lot of questions about Zcash these days. And I think he may be interested in, I don't know, maybe doing some stuff or getting involved. But I don't want to ask him directly, but he's been asking a lot of questions about Zcash.
Okay. Yeah, he's welcome to join. On Friday, we have a lounge space where we can have an introduction, have a chat. But definitely invite them to the server.
Okay, so and is the Zcash ambassador program currently open?
Yes, as far as I'm aware, it's open. So I guess recently what's been happening is new ambassadors are starting off through ZecHub DAO and then moving to like a ZCG longer term ambassador role.
Okay, that's great. So how to become an ambassador if someone wants to become an ambassador?
Good question. The first place to start would be right here. This is the governance link. So this gives instructions on how to submit a proposal to the DAO to become an ambassador. But before doing that, I would obviously recommend becoming involved with the community, learning about Zcash, the different apps that you can use, maybe some of the protocol, try running a node, like just become familiar with it so that you're able to teach it effectively?
Yeah, I've been around for I think more than a year now. I've been around for a while, so I think that was not a problem. But from what I know the ambassador program is usually regional ambassadors, and for my region, I come from Nigeria, and I'm sure they have ambassadors in Nigeria already. Do you usually take more than one ambassador from each region?
Yeah, so we have a Zcash Nigeria Global Ambassador project, and we also have Els, who is based in Nigeria, and she's also a global ambassador. I would say you should start by approaching the Zcash Nigeria team and like seeing if you're able to join that team. Maybe if they're going to post a proposal for next year, you could join the team with them. Or you could approach Els. She's putting together a talent hub, and yeah, have a chat with her.
Okay, sure, I will. Thank you.
I want to post something, scroll that maybe a few folks didn't see. For those who want to learn how to set up Zelle, I created a quick how-to thread. And as of the latest few GitHub polls from the ECC team, this is a working prototype or alpha. So here's the steps. This person was actually in the R&D Discord asking for help. So I just put it in the forums for others who may have some other questions, but it allows you to, if you have a fully synced Zebra node locally and you git pull the latest Zelle, it shows you how to connect the Zelle wallet, and you can test it out. And you can see that right there, the RPCs that are available. So I highly recommend devs check this out.
Thank you. Is Zelle in beta yet?
No, it's definitely still alpha, and how it works will probably change. But as of right now, this is the easiest way to connect with it.
Thank you. Oh, there was something else. Don't know where it's gone. Tron updated the DAO page, so it looks much better now. And there's like a new feature which he's added where it shows like people's roles, and it still retains that like messaging function to send them memos using a default Zcash wallet installed. So yeah, thank you. It looks great. All right, so we'll move on to like open discussion. Thank you, John. Yeah, is there anything anyone wanted to bring up? So much technical knowledge being spilled here today. For real, what would you suggest as an entry point for a non-technical person who wants to contribute to the Zcash ecosystem? Make stuff, right? So if you're non-technical, maybe you're interested in like writing or researching topics. Yeah, do what comes most naturally to you because you'll do that well. And or graphics. Yeah, do what comes best to you and share it with us. And then you'll probably get like bounties for it. And Just progress, basically. Els has something for you. I don't know Saga blockchain, no. Oh yeah, yesterday we were contacted by a project, Z-Switch, and they use a Zcash wallet as like a shielded vault and performs like cross-chain swaps. So we had a chat with them yesterday and we'll see where it goes. But somewhat unrelated, like there are many projects around Zcash. We spoke with Crypto Fella. There are many projects like popping up, and I would just urge everyone to do your due diligence, and where possible, like look into the documentation. Just make sure it's safe to use before either sharing it on social media or using it yourself. Just like a word of caution. I think today also the Cypherpunk Hackathon ends, so we're going to see a lot of cool stuff. So yeah. Any comments from DAO members or anyone want to add stuff to the meeting? I think we'll be changing this banner as well. We had a few submissions last week for a new banner for the wiki.
I'd like to request someone in the community. I think it's time for us to refresh our X banner too. It's been a great one, but I'm ready for a change. Anyone else agree?
Me. Oh, there is another. Someone wants to add. I think it's Rems wants to add like Christmas themes for our socials.
Yeah, I'm down. I'm happy Christmas.
Also, Beyond reached out to me around a community event for Christmas. He floated the idea of poker, but I don't think we should do that again. Yeah, maybe something like Monopoly or open to ideas. Karaoke, no way.
I'm a fan of Scrabble. I don't know if there's a game, but I might be showing my age here. Don't forget to join the Crosslink workshop, guys. There's the details.
Yeah, I don't know about FIFA. I mean, it might as well be like Call of Duty or something. Chess, maybe, if it was like a rapid chess tournament, but not many people know how to play. Yeah, not everyone owns a console. COD M would be cool though.
Is that Call of Duty or something?
Yeah, I was thinking it was like Modern Warfare, or not sure. The truth remains, not everyone knows how to play all games. It's just to choose the ones people are involved in and they participate. True. Ah, the mobile Call of Duty. Yeah, I've played that a long time ago. Oh, another development. The design SubDAO sent back the ZEC that they owned. So it's now held within the ZecHub donations address. And yeah, I guess starting next year, Tron is interested in moving forward with ZEC Bounties first and then Edgy ZEC. Is that correct? Perfect. Thank you. So it will be roughly a year delayed, but we'll get there eventually. Yeah, that kind of wraps it up for the past 2 weeks and upcoming events. Thanks everyone for joining. Have I forgotten anything?
Just wish everyone a happy week, and thanks for stopping by.
Thank you.